Welcome to the Weather Centre on Monday, where we can expect a few very early morning showers over the Eastern Cape. You'll see a cold front moving over the southern part of South Africa, and although we've seen most of the rainfall associated with this particular front, we can still expect a bit of cloud along the coast, with a strong push of cold air really cooling temperatures off all the way through to the central and southeastern parts. Rain is forecast into KwaZulu-Natal later on in the day, with drizzle pushing in along the northeastern escarpment on Monday night. We're forecasting a sunny and warm afternoon in the northeast. Our rainfall probability map shows a 40% chance of rain into KwaZulu-Natal, with early morning showers for the Eastern Cape, and then you'll see that evening drizzle pushing in along the northeastern escarpment, with a dry forecast for the rest of South Africa. It'll be a warm Monday afternoon for Gauteng and the northwest, with highs in the mid-20s. Hot for Bombela at 30 degrees, 32 as we head towards Phalaborwa. A maximum of around 20 is forecast for Bloemfontein, Bethlehem and Pietermaritzburg. Mild for Ladysmith and Vryheid, both at 23, with that cold air settling in over the Eastern Cape. Maximum temperatures are expected to peak in the middle and upper teens. You'll see a fresh southwesterly wind along the Eastern Cape coastline, with a mild afternoon for Durban and Richards Bay, with a fresh to strong south-southwesterly wind. Along the east coast, we're expecting a 2.5 metre southerly swell at 12 seconds, with a shorter wave period along the KZN coastline. That cold air really cools temperatures off for Graaff-Reinet and Somerset East, both at 14, with the cold weather continuing for the Western Cape, Vredendal at 17. A light southeasterly wind is forecast for Muizenberg and Hermanus, both at 14. You'll see that cold weather spreading all the way through to Jeffreys Bay, with a moderate to fresh west-southwesterly wind, and along the south coast we're expecting a 3.5 metre southwesterly swell, and that's at 14 seconds. Cold air spreads throughout the Northern Cape on Monday, 16 for De Aar and Colesberg, 20 degrees for Uppington and Prescott, and Calvinia at 13 degrees. We're forecasting moderate to fresh south-southeasterly winds along the coast from Cape Town all the way through to Alexander Bay, with another cold day in store, with a 3.5 metre southwesterly swell at 15 seconds. The cold weather continues over the southern part of South Africa on Tuesday, with the possibility of rain along the east coast, and then you'll see another sunny and warm day for Gauteng. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely Monday.